Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites so the fix works. Check your device OS, region, and Google account sign-in. Once done, open the App Store and clear its cache or force stop and reopen the Store app to remove stale data. Make sure your account payment/profile details are complete. Missing info can hide apps. Then search precisely for Google Pay and toggle filters like country or device compatibility so results reflect your current setup. Next, you change settings that control availability. If the app remains hidden, adjust your store region or add a payment method tied to the supported country. This reshapes the store catalog. If Google Pay is region restricted, opt into official beta or testing channels where possible, because that can surface the app. As a last resort, consider obtaining the official APK from a trusted source and enable unknown installs. Do this only after verifying authenticity. To finish, restart your device and update Google Play services and the store app itself, then search again. Updates often resolve visibility. If you still don't see Google Pay, remove the Google account and add it back to force a catalog refresh. Make sure to recheck region and payment settings after re-adding the account. If none of this works, contact support with your device model, OS version, account country. And steps taken, one key tip: capture screenshots to expedite help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.